Do you have a common set of issues where you create the same details every time? Then STM for cloud, data center, or server is a productivity tool that you need. STM allows you to create templates that can be used for commonly created groups of issues. You can then use those templates to automatically or manually create issues when creating an issue or transitioning from one status to another. STM has templates that can be used to create issues or update issues. I'll just create a new one for creating issues. As you can see here, we have a details section at the front, just giving some basics and an issue. So I'm going to create two issues. So this one here, I'm just going to add in development. So it's going to have the parent summary type plus development. And I'll create another issue on that. And then I'm going to have one for testing. So it's going to create two issues. I can set other fields like the issue type. I can add an assignees. There's also a whole range of other fields that you can add as you see fit. And we can also add as many issues as we like. We can add copy from parent field. So this will allow you to say, I want to copy the reporter from the parent. You can have a repeating template, which will allow you to iterate over multiple components or fixed versions. And you also have cascading templates where you say, for this parent issue, I'm going to create these sub-issues, and then a cascading one will mean that those sub-issues then have another template run against them. So multiple layers deep. Now we want to create a executor for that template so that it is automatically created for us when we transition from any status to in progress. So just give it a name. So we're not going to do on create issue, we're just going to say a status of in progress. So since we haven't specified from status, it's any status to in progress. I can specify conditions here. So if it's a particular issue type, assignee, or another field value. And then I have an action. So I can create subtasks, epic issues, linked issues, unconnected issues, which don't have a parent, update an issue. We can transition child issues when the parent transitions, or we can transition a parent issue when the child transitions. So for this, I'm just going to say linked issues. Now, specify the template we've described before. We specify a default issue type in case it's not on any of the issues we've specified in the template. And we have a link type. So when transitioning from in progress, create linked issues based on this template with this default story issue type with a blocks link type. Now that we've got the template and the executor set up, we can just come along to an issue within that project, change to in progress. We get the updates, and here are the two new issues created. So you can see before the summary name has been included into the summary of those two issues. We can also go to the More menu. We can create bulk issues, linked issues, subtasks, and unconnected issues manually. And we can also delete bulk epic issues, linked issues, and subtasks. So just for an example, I'll create another linked issue, come up with a screen. I can say I want to use that demo template again, default issue type of bug, link type of duplicates. Now from here we can also modify a template, so use an existing template to modify that to add additional details, but those details are not saved to that template, or we can create a template from scratch. There we go. We have the two new issues created. This one has a bug issue type because we didn't specify that within the issue template. Instead, it's the default issue type that I specified. I can also update a number of issues at the same time rather than just one. So I can specify JQL query, specify the ones I want to create the template against. I can come down and create or update issues. That's it for the demo. If you have any questions or you'd like a demo, please feel free to contact us at support@redmoonsoftware.com. Thanks.